For this example, I've kept the manuscript fairly simple. I have copyright information, dedication information after the title page, and we are going to insert a table of contents, even though I don't actually want one in this manuscript. And at the end we have an about the author page. Now I've clicked on the Pilcrow button on the home ribbon in Word to show where the section breaks and page breaks and so on are. And I've already inserted one section break to move my copyright information onto its own page. And just to show you how to do that, click on reference, and we're looking at page layout. Click on the breaks. Now we don't want page breaks in the front and back matter, we want section breaks which start on the next page, and that's because of the way we're going to do in the page numbering in the next few lectures. So I have the dedication. I also need a blank page after the dedication, so I'm going to insert another section break and one final section break for where I'm going to put my contents. And then click on references and the table of contents, and I'm going to put in the automatic table. As you can see, that it gives me a heading style that I don't want, so I'm going to change the heading style for that, and also make sure that it goes into automatic colour, because I don't want blue in the manuscript. And I'm going to delete the sections in the beginning of the table that I don't want. And then at the end of the table, I'm going to insert one more section break. I will get the right page. One more section break. Okay? And then delete to bring chapter 1 back up to the beginning. Oh, hang on, I need one more section break, don't I? Because I want my page 1 to start on the odd side. Okay. And for formatting, I want all of this in the small print, small text style, because it's the front matter, and the same with the dedication. Now, throughout the remainder of the book, when I start a chapter on a new page, I am going to simply use a normal page break for that, because I don't want to break the sections. That the whole body text is one section. So here we can do it by page breaks, but the way I'm actually going to do it is to go into the heading and modify, format,